On this Aspirus Medical Monday, Local 3's Brianna McLean is in the studio where she speaks with an infection preventionist on the importance of hand washing. Brianna?
Good evening, Rebecca. With the flu and other illnesses currently going around, one of the most important ways to prevent getting sick is hand washing. I have Jessica Herman, an infection preventionist at Aspirus Keweenaw, joining me via video chat to talk more about this. Jessica, what is the proper way to wash your hands?
The proper way to wash your hands is to use soap and water or else an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol for 20 seconds at least. A good way to do that is you could sing happy birthday in your head twice. Make sure that you're getting the fronts, the backs, in the middles between your fingers, your nail beds. Make sure that you're using soap and water if you see that your hands are visibly dirty. If you are going to be preparing food, make sure that you're washing your hands with soap and water before doing that. When you're prepping food and when you're done, before you eat, you should use soap and water instead of hand sanitizer, unless you don't have that available to you. Obviously, then the hand sanitizer is a good option if you don't have anything else. After using the restroom, we should use soap and water. And then if you're caring for somebody who's ill with a virus that causes vomiting or diarrhea, we should use soap and water instead of hand sanitizer in those instances also. A good way to remember too is wet, lather, scrub, rinse, dry. So making sure that we're wetting our hands with some lukewarm water first, then applying the soap, then doing the scrubbing and lathering our hands, and then rinsing and then drying them properly.
What are some of the common mistakes people make when washing their hands?
Not using enough soap or enough hand sanitizer, not taking enough time, just quickly putting it on and rinsing it off right away, or putting the hand sanitizer on and then shaking it off really quickly. Sometimes too, a big mistake or a common mistake is that people will miss their dominant thumb. That is a big area that's missed.
What are the health benefits from washing your hands properly?
Hand washing with soap and water is one of the simplest and most effective ways to stop the spread of harmful germs and staying healthy. And the Center for Disease Control estimates that by keeping our hands clean, we can prevent 1 in 3 diarrheal illnesses and 1 in 5 respiratory infections, such as the common cold or influenza.
Thank you, Jessica, for joining me today. Rebecca, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. Brianna McLean, Local 3 News.